All right, we got a 5.9 Cummins here. Had a little front end collision, so now is the time to do a lot of the work to the truck. And what we're mainly concerned about is some of the oil leaks. Now, we have about 3 different surfaces right here in the front. I think we can all agree the oil pan's leaking. We are going to remove and do the killer dowel pin repair, so that cover's coming off. But this mid plate right there, or timing cover, it actually houses the cam gear. So in order to reseal that, we've got to pull the cam out of the engine, which is a significant increase in labor time in order to change. So I guess the magic question is how much or how little do we do? So definitely got an oil leak at the oil pan. Like I said, the front cover's coming off for sure. Significant leakage there. It'll focus. There we go. So we got some leakage there. Really, we're gonna have to start this process a little bit, clean it up. We obviously cannot run the vehicle very long because of the, lack of cooling system on it. Definitely have some oil blowing back here. So normally I would run dye in a system like this. So not really a bunch of oil coming up. There is a tappet cover kind of up in here behind the high pressure pump. That is running oil down, but the oil pan is leaking terribly bad. I believe that has a red hue to it, so that tells me the tranny pan is leaking just a little bit too. It all needs cleaned up, so we're gonna degrease it before we even get started on it. I did pull this inspection plate here to make sure the rear main didn't have any big signs in there, and I really don't see a lot of leakage there. So this is kind of a documentation or a game plan of what and how much of this we're going to do. We do not want to remove the engine at this point. I think that'll be a project down the road, but we're trying to do what we can while it's getting rebuilt essentially. So that's what we got. Thoughts, comments, let me know.